abegu abonten de nam sunti a na me no kasai John Darega Dramani Mahama na ban pastor se woga na nyina obia enka hwe emfa ho and church mu no eto asum yie pa according to sources no asofofo no nyina no eye nkrofo bia sabio yaya den yetua won ka yama won sika ti since yetua omoka no de omoni asem bia eka de kire John Darega Dramani Mahama na ebe yon pa say I didn't hear before na da bia be sore ena kufuado say o man ena kufuado MPP o man say Ghana man na at all time once asofofo nyina ka omo anu atum na obia enka hwe lawyer Lawrence Ampaw edin chirechiremu abegu abonten de enti etesa de enti a asofofo na ka omo anu atum yenkone nkonkotie ewi a ne asan aba studio like video na share na comment mame na yenkoyanim
Go beside us of Obi. Munka check Ghana for so for no. Mo so.
Oh, mo twa de so kasa bi mo.
Me mo warning.
O ma ye din
Ghana for so for no. Sa na twum na mo pesika we ho a. Tio. Omunya to say asofo no do a. Omo ye fofo bi a. 31st bar no mo pesika. Cross over. Any jump over the no. The bia no and nyame say be di ye. 2025 hwe ku de bi no hwe ni asofo be be kai. Ye be di ye. And o me no be ye we obi aka adia
timamni any budget.
Yes. 2025 no. The kind of the level of what you will be that.
Dabi.
I would say you come in.
I don't know.
After you need. Aso for you, almost the agenda. 21st, almost started, and the big bus,
oh, I'm not for us.
Oh, yeah, share. And let me say, almost side the Yana, you come. I say, immediately, we film.
Oh, yeah.
It almost started, and Yamia show so, Lumba, we Thanksgiving, there's a lot of Thanksgiving. You. Now, the Thanksgiving, you are shocked with their common. What do I say? And then, the affordable. I'm not Thanksgiving.
Oh, yes.
Pastor's appreciation.
Oh, good.
December. But then, you so share with Yenia only. Don't be doing man, sebe, Kakrawa, the women say, Omo back. Kitwani bino oni ebipo ba ko hwe odo so bro de ma ko mo so fo a ni fie nu kra no car sisi ho edan and these are the people who will turn around and come and tell us say abana yade and some of the hypocrite pastors almost system no what I say because omo say mama abana sort them out in fact before God the man asofo no ko di mama chi no omo ye o come ndi omo to wo hwe Abraham te na so so kasa enti no ko sa asabone no the birthday no or trendy no wo hwe so empa mo hwe Danka Williams mo wo di say omunia the way you omunia no the way omo akoya mo bo ye ikra be hwe mo every ankra office no on the
I do my best
say Mama did buy to manage the men of God.
Come share
that be and then come share.
Oh, okay.
Almost supporting NDC.
Don't share that and come share it.
It is our office, no. Oh, okay. It's our office, no. And then manage the expectation of those men of God, no. It is a persecuted then I saw Tom out. It will have to cash out. It was one the corner of so for go dikakana wo do man come me say me also remember I still remember pa Christmas me more for it because cash out that Gabriel's a cash out we friend say Abraham te a cash out in the biom open bo mu nia mo cash out so ti ase mu nia mama am pesa be kono ke be kono o dia
one match ya say
na jegezi munia no munia cash out it will yourself for now dot now dear mama is a now question come now come dewo o she come no come dewo o dia say mo na mo tira say na Ghana for child members am tira ho ni nyame da mo say nyame say na nyame power no appoint leader o mo di you say nyame kamama amemu hu a anka na wo bebebe mami nyame kamama amemu mu a anka tena poye na sumdwe na de yehu eye at even say vengeance na nyame say vengeance is the Lord, but this time mama has taken vengeance upon itself. What did it attempt? So by sure you Yoko any security agencies no I say to say Ashanti regional minister I say share I'm saying asema ye Kenya we use intimidation police for no say for no we be cast galam say sembia for obi no cheno it is say no untumi nka say dem mu badwo no dem untumi nka man for aye don you etu wo ka so be dem say prove it na woni say dem say enu sumu obi ye galam say omo ye galam say no reason minister na mo ka so ye galam say no ono ko galam say to and dem ko for the back yes. And how do I better about grappling? Where is the evidence? And to the only you shoot the military, the soldier, the security agencies to silence informants. That was the strategy. Okay, I said.
Now, it's lawyer. I don't know going forward. No, as a can. Ghana no ebebuaye
media ebeye difficult mama amemo no or the to form no was starting mafia Ghanaians what or you be your for the state capture okay any kind say we making sure say reset no there bano or making sure say every institution be abeko to on mama any NDC for omo whims and caprices into no the petition you be NDC for say on your side into Chief Justice Sequeno easy so the OSP it is say no you obia we leader of any governmental institution because your security of tenure is not secured, meaning yes we need say we need the petition baba and the petition in the team of it is an and obi biara owo memuna o shabranse no because to be independent. Unim na ko chewaje the petition too. And almost and I think same. Usha Nanado was very soft to Ghanaians. But I said Usha Nanado Kofua almost say number Namunyano when you would do IGP Kamu. Usha IGP said that attack yes. Lampare yes. Oshada the that criminalize prophecy. It was wicked of it too. What is that time now MPP were goodwill among men of God. Okay. Men of God are born by the brave man nanado. Some men of God in the IGP said that attack aka omunia
yeah de be
yo oni edi si fonu ko ya agenda se kai say ni te bi ba out no o bi kwan no ama security agencies ni eye week o go after people they don't to go and kize jabe so okay
yes
on so no also start to say abanu wo so na kize jabe tata wo fe say esisla da pa o di ase na o so mama tamu twice ah e ka bitisi ko
na yana ananu de ye si say amana ye di petition
no o should say IGP etata tisra da pa e go after every appointees and making the government popular. Meanwhile, no free President Mahama. Few months to elections, no because the Mama also more enhance President Mahama chance to win.
Yes,
but Nanado had the patience. To even tolerate Matamidu. Who can say Matamidu? Being special protocol, yes. Nanado is a serpent of all corruption.
Yes.
When you need it, Nanado and you should petition. But my energy petition. A boho, we just get free. And the first one, we have free. That's the idea. Arrested. Court of silence. I'm going to take over. And I only said to my no omono government appointees ni ko report to obi na report on their behalf into what here the regional ministers ni ya no omo accuse for galamsey no eye nkofo na mo ko report to here o dey say into these are the things it's happening into we dey comedies that we comedies
when they say the comedies can be asked say
ab when they say
abf wa ba ti no ya baba mo dey
na makacho tifo say damede ba no
anu worship na lawyer unim say sansensem ya ekokoso ye yi regional minister say amanfo bi akoka say oye galamsey enti yankonko che abrante na ya che abrante ni say o meboam ye nhwemu ne ade no ena de obi ka asem a ye trimma sia before be chinipa no back to 2024 time ana no ye Ashanti regional NDC secretary no na oja platform bi so e kasa ye di na kwatem na po e ka kire na po se na po ye mabofo ma po na mpa Asanteman ko so e sa ye bayifo
otubi prove beyi
me wa that tape no and na me ye tape sin ho dwuma no
otubi prove beyi
wo dia wono no ya nkan he but obi ko kan say ya wo si ya arrest no na lawyer and na me bi say kwayo mafa so mo yesa ni se dia kwayo yet say okay ye ni power enti ye mo ba ye ni nkrofo bi mafa kwa bi so agiche mo enti yanso so ye ba yanso so ye say ye kwayo say e ba bo Ghana
mo chobi Ghana for mo chobi ade ba kwa say mo start here mo starting sweep Ghana Police Service
okay
me catch you
okay
human right court is there, it's ready. The IGP and the Ghana Police Service no they under the constitution.
Okay
police ni arrest you na enye lawful sue enti we say case na omo da to boy no so no I guess you sue the IGP
okay
no we sue of when say a regional minister say boni be na why so make allegation now you criminalize allegations. How do you criminalize allegations? Now they are called human right court.
And this is why
for declaration.
There are 3 regional ministers.
You for declaration and order to restrain. Me want from me now. We can police me on power.
Also quite to say or power in the position.
Power be I want a limit. Power be I want a limit. Me Ghana police for mo de be 6 so me go court o omo so mo for mo court Ghana promo so court promo ko e ba say what chairman so to be now. It is a police estatis or make arrest any lawful so let's begin to sue the police services and shape them to do the right things, because a lot of people are doing things behind the IGP and now we do okay say sebo obi di obi ka na you say that police station
yeah the
police in Daika meanwhile no police in Naika
police ne won Naika
no but then Daika the false allegation koto so me achewo me ya ka just when tie sika me e mukra pokra na ye ntua ka no omo di base
and the lawyer me say ukwo ye police stations a e wo fom ye yi a amanfo mu nnem saa de we say obi ni obi okobo obosan wo nipa no no hye ne mre na edure no ntimi ntua ye che ukwo pe ye say bra betua wo ntua ye nyu
police di ji base ka kosu no
na lawyer bebre anim
mo famra
bebre anim
mo famra police ni ebe temina obi a police ni bi aju sika wo bill no be programmer your phone in after the contact bra say the former fe
o ma sika no no be aba
o charge actual interest account what I say and na mo the police no you people from even speaking you the kofu genuinely no omodeka and the police are then vampires they are going after people and only the answer no omo kofu bi so a bibi kakra bi pene dey dada mo so asante regional ministers now omo ma boy or say allegations say obi ye galamsey is it a crime now akayin dey abeti here tomorrow allegations are ye
say want to meet television ye galamsey television
na president mama allegations been on ye
no evidence
positions in na obetuma leave that allegations
minister jina that is a pediu 2024 e kan say bawumia ene na nado area Ghana nsas no evidence
unimbi if we be most of times no enye bibia na you need to talk about evidence so evidence ni nya ye dio enye evidence bia na ye direct ye be one very circumstantial evidence ye be one so the fact speaks for itself ye only maybe wow you don't need evidence I don't kasa no clear evidence and you know when you hide it behind produce evidence and that's a man for to me kasa
that be they say dey kwon to
kasa
to man for me say dey kasa
yan kasa
na lo yan ko kasa ya cho
me nua the problem is say human rights activists for now come sorry like bebumu any raf mu any baba mo no mo share MPP NDC butum nto so ba come no tum what I say so the so called human rights for now abai no capture mu it's no and no omonte media houses so make capture mu omo capture sofo omo capture info omo capture the system
yes
and you know these are the things that is going on now. I didn't know me about mine but the relative of the man say
won kan de me no ya adwen
police for muntie na muntie the year say you are not above the law mu ye servant mu na mo hwe so and you know mamma timafo eyusumo for dirty works what I say my years of who say police for pa mo te yare police for yare pa omo mo nya stroke pa police for omo BP a chronic police for omo mo kwase wo police for because we be de bia omo di bonechi pa onim sa dina okoye no e criminal your police people come to trust it ma obi to be false allegation ko this to be chiwa na ka just say ya shawo no evidence so
say ayifo ashawo fo ye omo wo Vienna city won ye edu na jo mo de ka kom to say omo kwa hayo
na me say
chi Ghana tie dia ye say lawyer omo chi Ghana ni omo je 1000 Ghana cedis
yo
Nigeria no ma je 1005
yo mate na mo ye say de me be da shira na obi say sikebi eneske bi lady obi wo sikebi bodria nje na Ghana for police for be ni mo de no munyai sa dirty works amoye ma politicians no because I was expecting the police the moment regional minister is not the petition by no was na allegation na nyonye body no trouble bomo no no obi the allegation by no actually say say clean na when say regional minister Ashanti regional minister no on the sun we clean niamo wa kafa amanfo say yes see you're subjected to street proof about to me. These are the reality of the grounds. And to me, yes, and you know, I need the so Sabrino, now 1 year came here. So this is what you say. Oh, Minia 4 years they do. No, 8 years ago, you should have between sanity, the reality. The matter is police for the moment started and take him to court.
Okay.
You cry me cry me am court. Hey, me kwa grandpa. Me na me go court. Oh. Abi na mo ya chamu to me. Abes. Make su you boy. So omo no mo yusu omo investigative board they know. And the punishment now so you should court your punishment. I'm court twice. Ushuma. They be so back court. Okay. Case court case so and no e be ya judgment say na dey be on court. That's what we need to do to them. When you begin to sue them, they also go to court. And they know the bambe so number file suit me that they be some court. Also about can say court coba me papa that me say no ko me pa me that me ko me kan so no ko me a took case that we the case for 2 years. And so make sure so we waste time with energy, and that is exactly what they are doing. So Timafonu must start taking the state institutions on when they violate their right. That is how you fight them. Police for only obia only security agencies or fuma look for human rights activists like us. I bet to show me one-on-one and tell them that this is illegal. No sure you should it now with the order of restraint at Thompson Junction or at Thompson Pine where you are. That's what you do. That's what you have to do.
So be a because a honey camera no. It is a lawyer to say now, no bomb dating the room. Near who said the man here. Oh no, said a police phone, a be Juma, a boy Juma ye. You won't go for this or uniform nation, and on my own, you told me who that you move for. Then a lawyer can once says a police in Yibi, a bit so. No, I show Pampasu ya. Fanebra, Fanuko court, where me can go from to maybe a child up by the item. Some we are who for. One side, Nimadi and Sandy Nipa, lawyer can move on to us. Yeah, and to make the attempts. It's now one gets out. You can't talk, I want for a car. Emo Nipa, police initial was my season key. Where my John Lances because wouldn't fire extinguisher. Meanwhile, only cannot the number fire extinguisher them. Obi kura wa no road right born the can was police in you know who chamera Obanyika se wa trans mama kwaba me ba so ni ade hawo abomodern saudu ani be kire mu ewo ebie heba clinic for ahwe na ene yammo
say omko performs no when work issue no omumu ye no onim say na yakomo mu 50,000 say omunje emfa nye yie na yewia na omuni ayamomo
lawyer 50,000
Ghana cedis abaindo nipa 6 no obi anji 50,000 never nko yie
ofanya
obi wie nso na yes ya mo 100,000 compensation. Jesus Christ.
Hey.
Sebi. It's also more dear. Almost dear. Almost come family and friends. Sex no. Almost can NDC for home. Almost NDC for members. Almost Mama Dushini. Almost MPP for NDC for supervisors. Almost dear. They set. France among but sebi omane boa ba any this when they say elikata crash no so ya certified na sika ye di kobu no o dia sika ye di mo no millions of Ghana cedis so and you raise a fund every time na we. Is it not discriminatory? Sir, I will say about we. Odikai can say on Obama the party. Or say no contribution no chop. Enti omanebo amamu contribute to you no mukonya akwehia no. Omo chop no crowd someone no crowd say ya set fund that you show mu. Omo kra mu bi de wo. Omanebo amano mu wia no. Omo nya fo. They have money but they are set fund. Push the way some go board and this get two and then this is for appointees in this get two now for Ibrahim Mamudis Kashimuno now it's your for no mano 6 more Momo 100,000 Ghana cedis no fun do 6 gallant girls are all more cocoa pay Jumaye na abanwe is also more no contribution no top for no it's also part of NDC for no it's also say yes but presence of this government it's also say neutral and now nobody's talking about the discrimination the impunity. So obi dey certain funds and na sika puto na mo dey ko na we mo dey ya mo 50,000 na ye a year yes 50,000 to ye and 100,000 obi ewu look the family should that is what is happening. It tells you say this government is taking care of certain people. What they are saying, and then Abino is taking care of rent. The Kenyans are seeing the difference, and currently, Usha promises are Mama Mania first year at the same. It's the same. This are first year at the same. Things are falling apart. First year at the same. A bonya ne duya amount for a huchiromo, and no kwamanku fear minya a yareho. Sikeni ho odi ase tino usha wasitemu na to ababone no and wasitemu to say hina na o to me try rent and then rent cost light bill no water bill January 9% 15% light bill na abani tu de nyemu no wia no ka kire yese wa ka kire ti man fo na joma wo fe say ti man fo na dwadifo say dollar na ba fom and inflation ba fom to monto me maso na abani die ni bibia ni wo te so bibia and not plain the full plain fee cry ebe kumasi at 2,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, in and out almost 5,000. What did I say? Yes. One friend call for me. We like the water bill a cost, we rent a cost, we school fees a cost. What did I say? We journey na say me you know baby tell about say na ekoyie mankofu bia omo am privilege ekoyie ma omo a enne omo di mean no mo yefu nya to this day the people who you the rest of the matter is that the honorary Ghanaian na sitiemu enye
okay
inflation yeni and a dollar so yendi dollar yeni yare so about the dollar no end dollar is won come for sitiemu and inflation is so ye so like the minimum say inflation by yanka yetiti bibia so na say electricity so motor so like I ever call January no one my inflation about 6%. I can't down so ye bibia to 6%. Bibia down 6%. Ye petrol down 60%. Now there I could try the workers 9%. Now the more than 23% there to Nyamaso. But looking at 2026 Charlie, yeah, shares here with